In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can add your mic to OBS and start streaming or start recording using your chosen audio. So to be able to do this, once we are on the main home screen of OBS right here, what we can then do is we now need to go to the bottom left hand corner and we want to go over to sources. Once you do this, you want to click on the plus icon, and then from here you will now need to select audio input capture. Click on this. And then this will then open this up right here. So for me, what I will do is I will just call this Shure MV7 Plus. Name it whatever you like. You can just name it microphone or whatever the name of your mic is. And then once you do this, click on OK. And then once we click on OK, you can then click on Save. Click on the drop down menu where it says Device. And here is where you will now see all of your different microphone options. For me, I will select the Shure MV7 Plus. Click on OK, and then as you can see, it has now been added down here, and if it's working correctly, you will see this bar going up and down right here showing that the input is working. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add your microphone to OBS and start streaming or recording.